Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make cumin or jeera powder at home. Homemade jeera powder is a lot more flavorful as compared to the ones that we get in market. As we use jeera powder in a lot of things that we eat and cook, you can consider making this powder at home. The process is very simple and hardly takes any time. But you will surely feel a big difference in the taste of any food where it is used. I bought 100 grams of jeera from the market and I will use that to make my powder. We need to roast the seeds a bit. You can increase or decrease the quantity of jeera as per your requirement. Roast the seeds until you get a nice roasted aroma from it. But make sure to switch off the flame before the seeds start changing its color. I want them to be about 70 to 80% roasted, and then I will switch off the flame and keep it aside to cool down. Once the seeds come to room temperature, put them in the smallest jar of your grinder and make the powder. It hardly took me a minute and cumin powder is all ready. I wish you could smell it as well. It has such a great scent. I will add about a spoon of this in my regular homemade masala jar, which is a mix of few different spices. And we'll store the remaining powder in an airtight container. This will stay good for 2-3 months easily. So that was all for this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.